So you know how to cook, but do you know how to make money doing it? Cooking is the tip of the iceberg. There are many other elements to being a mobile food vendor and being successful at it. Many mobile food vendors are starting their businesses with no effective business plan, don't know how to price their products correctly, don't know how to market their products, don't know how to manage their helpers or employees and teach them how to duplicate what they're doing successfully. Everyone at your business must have a great passion for serving others, along with serving great food in a timely manner. When there is a customer problem, don't fight fire with fire. You must be able to help the customer. It is also very important to treat your team of workers well and make them feel very special. The goal is to have them as managers that can run your business just like you and pay them well. I have over 20 years of experience and know how to operate a successful mobile food business. The mobile food business can be a very rewarding and gratifying business. I love being a mobile food entrepreneur and look forward to many more years of operation. I will tell you the pitfalls and share the very rewarding successes I have had being a mobile food business, from running a street vending promotions, working with nonprofits, festivals, schools, getting large contracts. I have a great ebook coming soon, which will be very beneficial. Enter an email for knowledge. Click the link below to be notified.